Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can make your own caramel brulee sauce at home. So I'm one who used to love Starbucks and I used to visit Starbucks daily, but I've learned how to make my own delicious coffee at home and even better. So let's get started. So you're going to start with your sugar in your saucepan. And then you're going to have that saucepan over medium heat. So you're going to add your sugar and then you're going to put that over medium heat and you're going to let it just melt and caramelize into a golden syrup. So make sure that you keep an eye on it as you don't want it to burn. Okay, so once it's beautifully golden, you're going to carefully add your water. I make sure that the water is hot. You do not want to add cold water as it will seize your caramel. It will bubble up, but don't worry, that's the magic happening. Once all the sugar crystals dissolve, you are going to then add your butter and stir until melted. Okay, then you're going to remove your sauce from heat and you're going to add your salt and your splash of vanilla. And then finally, you're going to add your heavy whipping cream and stir until everything is smooth and creamy. And that is really it, guys. Your homemade caramel brulee sauce is ready. You can pour it over your coffee, drizzle it on your desserts, or just grab a spoon and enjoy. As always, this printable recipe will be on my website. Please check the description box for the direct link. If you do try this, let me know in the comments below how you felt about it. And don't forget to follow me for more coffee shop favorites made simple at home.